The Weather Service office in Johnston is in the process of upgrading their Doppler radar hardware for the first time since its installation.
That radar has been there since 1993, was installed in early 94 actually.
Okay.
So it's been up and running nearly 20 years, and this is the first major hardware upgrade. We've turned the radar off, put it in standby mode, and then they're going to take out all the old hardware. And then they're going to install the new hardware.
Jeff Johnson is the warning coordination meteorologist at the National Weather Service. The radar itself consists of a 28-foot dish inside a round white dome. The dish sends out radio waves that bounce off of objects in the atmosphere, and then computers can tell how far away the objects are and in what speed and direction they're moving.
It runs at different speeds. Severe weather will spin quicker, do more cuts.
Currently, the radar sends out radio waves in one plane. With the upgrade to dual polarization, pulses will be transmitted in two perpendicular planes, giving the radar more information about what's out there.
In the weather business, data is everything, and it's not model data, this is actual data that's sensed.
One of the new data products the radar will produce will allow meteorologists to tell whether rain, sleet, hail, snow, etc. is falling from a storm.
We're going to be able to detect, instead of just the precip itself, but maybe the character of it. Is it sleet? Is it rain? Is it the area in the winter time where the precip falls of snow and starts to melt and then turns into rain? And then do we have freezing rain below it?
The new dual polarization data will also tell us more about the hail that's falling out of a storm.
Another thing dual pol will do, we'll be able to determine the hailstone size if they're really big, like giant hail, 2 inches or greater. That shows us a different signature than water-covered hail.
Finally, the new dual polarization hardware will make it easier to tell when a tornado is on the ground.
You usually are hurling up debris of some sort. Even in rural areas, you're hurling up pieces of trees, corn or whatever. All this stuff gets lofted into the atmosphere from a tornado.
Ideally, a warning will have already been issued for the storm, but this signature on radar will help give meteorologists more confidence that a tornado is on the ground and should help to warn the public even better.
Where I see this coming in handy, Jason, is like late at night.
The hardware upgrade, calibration, and software enhancements at the Des Moines Weather Service office should be completed well before the end of September.